everyone, today we're doing acrylic painting of beautiful lily flowers. Let's start. Into this color we need black, white, green, red, a little bit blue also, okay, for the purple color. And for prepare our paper or canvas, we still use a light gray. It just put a little black into white color, okay? And then we just cover the whole page with lard paint. And then we wait until it's dried up. We come back for the flower. Alright, find an angle brush. I already did a little bit, it's no problem. I will do the little one, you will see, okay? Basically, you just draw the leaf shape first, okay? And here we put a drop down, is the other side of the leaf. We put some dark in first, and then later on we come back to add a little more details. Okay, here, you see, this is how you do it. It's the same thing with a big leaf, okay? It's a similar looking. Just one's bigger, one's smaller. You see this one? I do it slowly so you can start, okay? And then you can pause your video here and then go back doing the bigger leaf. Yeah, and then you see here I get a little bit darker color to put, not everywhere, okay? Only the edge of the leaf. And then in the center we're going to put light color to make the contrast, alright? Yeah, the smaller one doing the same thing. In this layer, we just shape up the leaf, okay? Alright, here we use the same brush, get some white color, mix into the color we have in our brush. You see, and it become a lighter green, okay? And then we just add in the center of the leaf. And you see, I did not add everywhere. I still showing some green in the background, okay? Gently add in some curved lines across the whole leaf, okay? In the center. We leave the drop down part of the leaf dark, okay? We'll come back for it later on. Alright, here pay attention on the mixing color part. We're using red and blue mix purple, okay? Put in a little bit white to make light purple. You see, now you see the color, you mix in little by little until you get the color you wanted, alright? And then we're going to do the flower, the first layer, to set where the flower petals are. Yeah, just dark color first, and we're going to add in a different color to shape up the leaf, okay? Right now you just have to set the flower where it will be, okay? But if you're not sure, you can use a pencil, sketch it out first where you design the flowers are, alright? And we do a bigger one here and a small one on the top and then some little ones far away, alright? So here I finished the first layer. I started to shape up the leaf with the flower petals with different color, you see? And I add in little bit light color, but only on the top of the flower petal, and some ones is in the bottom. It depends, okay? And then now you see I do the small one here. It's only showing 3 flower petals because it's facing the opposite way, alright? So you don't see other ones. And then here, remember you still leave some dark part in the center of the flower. There's darker, okay? Alright, here we do a little bit more details. Pay attention, okay? I will constantly change lighter color and even brighter color, okay? And then sometime I may get a little bit dark color just to shape up the whole leaf look, okay? See, now I put light color in a different spot. It depends, so watch carefully here, alright? Yeah, you see here I put on the top and the other one, the light color, I put on the bottom, okay? Let's add in a little bit more white. Like this, constantly change different colors and you just touch bit the color on the point of the brush only, okay? and that way you get what you wanted. Just little bit the color. You see, I just use the top of the brush, okay? Just gently touch, not push too hard. If you push hard, the dark color will get on, you see? And now you see I go back and get some dark color and make the leaf, the flower petals top a little bit darker, not too dark like the first layer, okay? We don't need it too dark right now. Yeah, and then you see I scratch some lines and drag into the white to make the colors mix together naturally, okay? See here, I draw a line in the middle and then put the brush sideways and then drag down a little bit of dark color into the petals. So this way that color mix together more naturally, okay? There you go, you see that petal look much better, okay? It's more clear than before. Alright, just like this, we're going to change dark or light to shape up how the petals facing, okay? The light color it gave the where it's supposed to be have a curve, alright? So that the color become lighter. You see, in that one I put a dark color in the bottom, a light color on the top, alright? And then we put some different colors separate two flower petals, alright? And then the small one do the same thing. So here, pay a little more attention because we want to do the flowers a little more details on today, okay? Alright, here we change to a small brush. We get really light color, okay? And we do very thin lines to go through on the edge or on the top. It depends how the flower petal look, okay? So here, pay a little more attention because all the highlights part is different in each petal, okay? There, you see that one I put on top a little bit more, and then other ones may be different areas. So here, yeah, we're going to do a little more details on the flowers today, so pay a little more attention. If you miss some part, you always can go back, okay? Watch a little bit more. Yeah. And then I have done so many videos in before, so if you miss any other videos, you can go back check. I think each video I covered different parts of everything, so yeah, it's concentrated on certain parts a little bit more, okay? And then today we're going to do the flowers a little more. So here, because our background is white color, and then today the flower is also light, and then we're going to do some dark lines around the flower petals. But if you put a dark background color, and this step is not really needed, okay? You see, I'm putting very thin lines around the flower petals, and yeah, to shape up a little more to stand out from the background, okay? Yeah, remember, add some water into your pen to thinner, okay? So that way you can draw very thin lines. There we go. Alright? You see the flower now stand out, alright? Just do every petals. Try to shape them up a little bit more. Alright, here we switch to red color. We're going to do the center of the flower, okay? It just here that there's that, just shape up a little thing there in the center, alright? So very gently touch, yeah, to make the shape. And then you see now I got a little bit darker color to put here and there. Everything have shadows, okay? Then if it's too difficult for you, you can just forget it. Don't do that part, it's fine, okay? And watch your brush, we switch to green. We're going to do the stamps, alright? Yeah. Just draw very thin lines. It doesn't have to be super straight, no problem, okay? And then we're going to add a little flower haven't bloomed yet in the back, just a few balls. Okay, you can just use the same brush, but remember, probably you have to wash out the green color, easier to control. Okay, and we also had to shape up. This similar when we do the flower petals. So here we don't have to really slow it down. It just take your own time to do it. Okay, and then we add some different color in here and there because they may have some green in, a red, or a little bit the purple, light purple. Okay, yeah, you can get your own ideas, no problem. All right, add anything you feel is good for the picture. Yeah, you see I'm shaping up the dark color on the little one in the far away view. All right, and then I'm going to shape up the one in closer to on the edge, put some dark color, and then we're done for the flower. We're going to go back, fix the leaf a little bit more. Okay, all right, the flower's done. We get some more dark green, go back to the stem, fix the shape a little bit. All right, here and there. Yeah, you see anywhere need dark lines and put them. See, I want to fix a little bit more on the leaf because that should be clear that leaf is dropping down. Okay, remember I said leave that part dark. We're going to put a little bit light color there in the back, and then a little bit more bright green in the front leaf, right? So yeah, you see like that I'm adding in a little bit bright color to make the difference between the front of the leaf and the back. Okay, and you see I add a little bit touch green in the back, only a little bit, but there's still a lot of black part left over there. All right, and then you can smooth out the color with your fingers. It's easier that way. All right, yeah, you see now, you see that the leaf dropping down, you can see clear now. All right, and then let's shape up the edge a little bit more, and then we're almost done today. All right, just put a little bit, yeah, to shape up a little bit more. And yeah, I have done other videos that have more details on doing leaves, so you may go back and then check my other videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, and then subscribe my channel, and you will get a notification when I have update a new video. Okay, remember, sign your name. We're done for today. All right, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.